So remember that in mathematical notation, you can express any part of this graph here, of this Venn diagram. For instance, if you want to look at this shaded area right here, the intersection point, you could write that down so people understand it. We've done this before. What you do is you have to use your intersection sign. If you remember, it looks sort of like an upside down U. So the set C intersection with set D. And that indicates that little shaded area right there. Now, if you want to look at everything outside of that small intersection point, so everything that is not shaded, we would want to look at the complement of that intersection. And we know how to write that, and we'll have to put an apostrophe there to indicate that. If you're going to put an apostrophe on this is sort of like a term, you'd have to put parentheses to sort of indicate that they're together before you put the apostrophe. So just put parentheses around them like this. Then put, and that's just by convention if you're wondering. It just makes it look cleaner so that you're not talking about the complement of just D, you're talking about the complement of the whole intersection. So that right there is everything that is not shaded. Now you can also look at, say you want to look at everything besides C and D. We can either write that as simply C complement and D complement, or what you could do, mathematicians prefer you write it this way, is look at the union, because the union is both of them combined, if you remember. So set C union with set D, that means both of these sets is what it is. And you want to look at the complement, so put the apostrophe there, and that's looking at everything outside of C and D.